everybody, welcome to Michael Todd Beauty's how-to video for enhancing your skincare routine with microdermabrasion using the Sonicsmooth. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps using our Sonicsmooth microdermabrasion tips. Microdermabrasion at home should be simple, effective, and pain-free. In this video, we'll guide you through the process using our Microsmooth tips. Let's get started with skin prep. It's very simple. You just want to start off with a clean, dry face. So I'm washing my skin with a gentle, mild cleanser, rinsing it clean, and patting dry completely with a towel. Now that our skin is clean and dry, we're ready to start microsmoothing. Attaching and removing Microsmooth treatment tips is easy. To attach a treatment tip, slide the device handle through the opening along the tracks until Microsmooth clicks into place. And there you go. Select the desired speed setting, low, medium, or high, by pressing the power button. Immediately before you get started, you can just wet your hand and make sure you get all those wispy hairs out of the way. You don't want to catch them while microsmoothing. You could also use a headband for this. Let's get started. Holding the skin taut with the opposite hand is recommended. Starting at the top of your face near the forehead hairline, making short feathery strokes as you work down and across the face and neck. Glide over the skin in a treatment area 1 to 3 times, positioning the Microsmooth at a 45-degree angle to the skin. Avoid using the Microsmooth over raised imperfections, the eye area, and directly over the nose and lips. Let's talk post-treatment. Apply a serum or moisturizer after treatment. There's no wrong way to microsmooth, but for the best results, estheticians recommend gliding movements following these directions depicted in the graphic. Sanitize your Microsmooth after each use. This ensures the best possible treatment results. We suggest using rubbing alcohol to clean the treatment tip. Estheticians recommend microdermabrasion in between your dermaplaning treatment and at a time where you're not applying SPF or makeup after. Because of this, the ideal time to microsmooth is in your evening skincare routine. Also, take precaution with sun exposure before and after treatment. Dead skin and debris accumulates every 7 to 10 days. So spacing your dermaplaning and microsmooth treatments about 1 week apart is ideal for maintaining that smooth, glowing complexion. Thank you for joining us in exploring the microdermabrasion capabilities of the Sonicsmooth. For any questions, please reach out to us. We can't wait for you to experience these fantastic results.